Hello and welcome to Medical Dialogues. I'm Anshika Mishra. Let's look at today's top medical news. Healthy diet low in sugar linked to younger biological age according to a JAMA study. Researchers at UC San Francisco have discovered a connection between a diet rich in vitamins and minerals, particularly one low in added sugar, and a younger biological age at the cellular level. The study, published in journal JAMA Network Open, examined the impact of 3 different healthy eating measures on an epigenetic clock, a biochemical test that estimates health and lifespan. Results showed that the healthier the participants' diet, the younger their cells appeared. However, even among those with healthy eating habits, each gram of added sugar consumed was linked to an increase in their epigenetic age. This study is among the first to demonstrate a link between added sugar and epigenetic aging and the first to investigate this connection in midlife women. The women in the study reported an average daily consumption of 61.5 grams of added sugar, with individual intakes ranging from 2.7 to 316 grams per day. For context, a bar of milk chocolate contains about 25 grams of added sugar, while a 12-ounce can of cola has approximately 39 grams. The US Food and Drug Administration recommends that adults limit their added sugar intake to no more than 50 grams per day.
Are you also aspiring to excel in medical journalism and delve into the intricacies of health and medical reporting? Explore our comprehensive course on medical and health journalism available at the Medical Dialogues Academy. Learn from industry experts who possesses in-depth knowledge and experience in this field. For further details, scan the QR code provided or access the link in the description box below.
Study examines heart health effect of reducing extra virgin olive oil consumption. Scientists at the University of Florida, USA have conducted a randomized crossover trial to examine the cardiometabolic effects of extra virgin olive oil as part of whole food plant-based vegan diet. The trial's findings were published in the Journal of American Heart Association. Low-fat, whole food, plant-based diet emphasize unrefined foods and limit processed products, refined grains, added sugar and oils, including restricting vegetable oil fat intake to less than 10 to 15% of energy intake. The Mediterranean diet, while also plant-based, includes extra virgin olive oil as the main fat source, with moderate seafood, poultry and dairy consumption and up to 35 to 40% of energy intake from vegetable oils. To compare the cardiometabolic effects of the extra virgin olive oil within a low-fat, whole food, plant-based diet, scientists at the University of Florida have conducted a randomized crossover trial called the Recipe for Heart Health Trial. The study involved 40 adults ages 18 to 79 with a cardiovascular disease risk of 5% or higher. They were randomly assigned to follow one of the 2 whole food, plant-based diets for 4 weeks each. One diet included 4 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil daily, while the other included less than 1 teaspoon daily. Participants switched diets after a 1-week break. To help them stick to their diets, participants attended weekly online cooking classes led by a dietitian or the chef. The researchers considered age, sex, and weight changes when analyzing the effects of 2 diets on LDL cholesterol and other heart health markers like blood lipids, blood sugar, and inflammation. A non-statin cholesterol-lowering medication linked to liver cancer, study sheds light. Primary liver cancer is the 6th most common cancer worldwide and the 3rd leading cause of cancer death. Major risk factors for liver cancer include chronic infection with hepatitis B or C viruses, exposure to aflatoxins, heavy alcohol use, tobacco use, and metabolic disorders like non-alcoholic fatty liver disease, obesity, and type 2 diabetes. Since liver cancer often has a poor prognosis, finding ways to prevent it, including using certain medications, is very important for public health. Recently, there has been a lot of research into how medications like aspirin, metformin, and statins might help reduce the risk of liver cancer. Cholesterol absorption inhibitors, bile acid sequestrants, fibrates, niacin, and omega-3 fatty acids, a type of non-statin medication used to manage cholesterol and lipid level. Each type works differently to help lower cholesterol. Researchers from the National Cancer Institute studied these 5 types of non-statin cholesterol-lowering drugs to see if they were linked to liver cancer risk. Fatty acids in umbilical cord blood may contribute to autism spectrum disorder according to a study. Autism spectrum disorder is a condition that affects how people learn and interact socially. While awareness of the autism spectrum disorder has grown, many aspects of the disorder are still not fully understood. The exact cause of ASD are not known, but neuroinflammation is believed to play a major role. Researchers in mice suggested that polyunsaturated fatty acid and their byproducts during pregnancy might influence the development of autism. The PUFAs are controlled by the cytochrome P450 system and can affect fetal development, leading to symptoms similar to autism. However, it is not yet clear if these findings apply to humans and more research is needed. To learn more, research team from the University of Fukui looked at the levels of the CYP-PU5 umbilical cord blood sample from newborns. The study, published in Psychiatry and Clinical Neurosciences, aimed to uncover more about the possible causes of autism spectrum disorder. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned to Medical Dialogues for more updates.
Never miss a medical update from Medical Dialogues. Like, subscribe, and press the bell icon.